Are your kids always asking for juice, but you're tired of buying sugary drinks every week? Or maybe you want something healthier, affordable, and still delicious for lunch boxes, parties, or family time. Today I'm showing you how to make a natural apple mixed berry fruit punch. Good for kids, it's freezer friendly, and perfect for busy families. So this recipe is simple, it's budget friendly, and you can control the sugar. Why this recipe matters for me is that as parents, we always want something healthy but tasty, affordable, easy to prepare ahead, and something our kids will actually drink. I added my frozen mixed berries to a pot with water and brought it to a boil. This helps to release the juice. And then once it boiled, I allow it to cool completely. After cooling, I blended everything until smooth. Then I sieved it to remove the seeds and pulp. This gives us that smooth juice texture kids love. Cut the apples into chunks and blend them with water, sieve as well. So now I combine both juices, and then you can check the taste now. Add sugar if you really want. For my kids, I added just a little organic sugar. For myself, no sugar at all. The natural sweetness was enough. This is where it gets better. Pour some into lunch boxes for the kids, serve in cups for family gatherings, keep in the fridge for juice cravings, or you can freeze in ice cube trays for fruity ice blocks. Okay. For the quick tips, you can store this juice up to 3 days in your fridge, and anytime you want to drink it, check it very well before you serve, and then adjust the sweetness depending on your family's taste, and then you can add lemon for a slight tang taste. If you're a busy parent looking for healthier homemade options, this recipe is a must-try. Simple ingredients, you're using real fruits, no unnecessary additives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with another mom who needs this idea. And subscribe for more practical, family-friendly kitchen hacks. See you in the next one.